Hello, good evening, and welcome to our channel, The Barrow Family PH. Right now it's February 13, 2026, and we're getting ready to go to Baguio. It will be first time po to na Rain and Rian, and sa akin fourth time ko na, and si Wency, pang ilang beses na kanya sa Baguio. And we'll be traveling together with Ate Benny and Ate Lynn. Kasama rin ang kanyang anak na si Kagawad Novalin. So, tomorrow by 5 a.m. aming scheduled bus travel to Baguio. And right now we're preparing our things. Ray's preparing her things as well. Baka maging maayos mga gamit namin. Okay, see you later guys. Good morning, it's already 2:30 in the morning. Nagpe-prepare na kami and we're just waiting for our Grab to fetch us going to the ATX. So again, good morning, and today we're going to Baguio. Nakaalis na ang first batch, si Wency and si Rain doon sa papuntang ATX. So hinintay namin yung isa naming sakyan. So ngayon, secure lang namin yung bahay to check everything is okay. See you later. Dito kami ngayon sa PITX and maaga kami. It's currently 3:33 and we're waiting for the bus to arrive. Mga 4:30 pa daw yung boarding time. So relax muna tayo dito sa PITX. So, eksakto alas 5 mantal yung bus. Nag-announce kanina may nag-iwan kasi hindi sila umabot sa oras. So, ganito rin ko sa Solid North. Talagang on time sila. See you later. So dito na kami sa Baguio City and ang first stop namin ay dito sa SM Baguio. We'll be taking our lunch. Right now it's already 10 a.m. So we're now going dito sa may tourist lounge. Yan. Iwanan muna namin yung mga bags namin. Makapaglakad kami, makapagbiyahe at makapag-lunch later nang walang iniintinding malalaking bagahe. Yan do, that's Wency and Rain. Okay, see you later. Okay, so dito na kami sa ating Airbnb sa Zoneville. We are located at basement 1, Unit D12. Let's just close the doors. Okay, so pasok. Here's the room. And meron tayong refrigerator dito. Meron mga lutuan. Rice cooker with water heater. Mga kagamitan sa kusina, utensils. And meron tayong mga plates, cups. And this is the living room. So meron tayong sala. May higaan natin. There's Rian and with a 36-inch TV. Electric fan. And nga pala dito sa Baguio, walang aircon yung mga units natin dito sa building na to. So here is the balcony. Meron tayong maliit na sofa. You can lounge there. And we have a coffee table dito sa may other side. And ito yung view sa labas. Wow! Look at that. Later, let's fly our drone to capture yung aerial view sa room natin. Then let's go back inside. Dito, meron tayong kwarto. So, meron tayong queen size bed. Hi Rain! Hi Mami! So, dito sa kwarto, meron din tayong smart TV. 32-inch naman. Smaller siya kung dun sa labas. And here is a toilet. Just open the lights. Oh, yeah, malinis. And of course, water heater na. Nice. And just close. And may isang walk-in closet. There are lights, walang lights na. So ito yung ating extra cushion. Ayan. So technically that's it. Then may mirror tayo dito. So that's it. So maganda. Maganda yung napili ni Wensi na Airbnb for our family. Let's try to walk later pag di na ganun kasama ang panahon. Okay? Take a rest muna. Morning. It's afternoon pala. So right now it's already 4:30 in the afternoon. And we're gonna stroll around. Lalakad lang kami. Mas malalakad. See you later guys. Okay, so we tried the bike at nakakahingal. Maambo na ngayon. Okay, now let's find some place to eat. Okay, Rian? Pagod? Rian? Why? Going up. Okay, so namasyal kami sa Burnham Park and right now kakain na kami sa Gansa Restaurant. So napagod yung mga bata, nagbike kami. Hindi na pala magbike dito, paakyat. So nag-order na kami ng food, so we're just waiting for our orders, then after that we'll be having our dinner. And we're going back to the apartment so we can rest and prepare for the day ahead tomorrow. Okay, kakain na kami. And good evening po. So, we're back here at apartment at Zollville Condominiums. And nakakapagod maglakad. Actually, malapit lang siya. It's a 10 to 12 minutes walk. Around 700 meters starting from the condominium up to the Burnham Park. However, yung elevation niya, medyo mataas yung elevation. Pero anyways, it's a good workout sa amin. Kasi marami kaming kinain kanina. So masarap yung kinain namin sa may Ganza restaurant sa may tapat ng Burnham. So I must say na recommended yun for family. Kasi mura and masarap yung mga ulam nila. Okay, so we'll just fix our things then, take a rest, and I'll update you later.